Ready to elevate your camping experience? Say goodbye to the hassles of outdoor living and hello to comfort and convenience with our range of premium camping essentials. First up, the 20-liter outdoor portable toilet. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, this toilet is designed for ultimate convenience. With its leak-proof and odor-free design, it ensures a hygienic solution wherever you go. Perfect for camping, road trips, or even festivals. Its 20-liter capacity is ideal for small groups, and the ergonomic design makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze. Next, meet the portable camping wash basin 43 liters. This all-in-one wash station is a game-changer for hygiene in the outdoors. With its large capacity, integrated towel holder, and foot pump for water flow, staying clean has never been easier. Its sturdy base and portability make it perfect for any outdoor setting, whether it's a camping trip, a backyard barbecue, or a day at the beach. For those seeking a bit more capacity, check out the outdoor portable camping toilet 22 liters. Designed with campers in mind, its durable construction and larger waste tank ensure long-lasting use without frequent emptying. Engineered for reliability, this portable toilet keeps you prepared for any adventure. Need to transport water with ease? The Weisshorn 40-liter portable wheel water tank has got you covered. With its durable wheels and easy grip handle, moving water has never been more effortless. Perfect for caravans, camping, or even emergency storage, this Weisshorn water tank ensures you'll never run dry. Finally, we've got the compact and efficient portable camping wash basin 19 liters. Don't let its smaller size fool you. It's big on features including a sturdy build, integrated soap holder, and easy-to-use foot pump. With these outdoor essentials, your camping trips will never be the same. Convenience, comfort, and reliability, all in one package.